Hello guys, welcome. So HHVB GLP-1 Moringa Slimming Drops are marketed as a natural weight loss supplement, claiming to offer benefits like appetite suppression, metabolism boosting, and blood sugar regulation. So let us talk about this product and the key concerns and red flags. So there's no publicly available clinical data or peer-reviewed studies validating the efficacy of these drops. The product's promotional materials do not provide transparent ingredient information or credible endorsements. So then we have the marketing practices. The product is often promoted through deceptive marketing tactics, including exaggerated weight loss claims and unverified endorsements. For instance, some advertisements suggest that users can lose up to 120 pounds by using multiple bottles, which is unrealistic and potentially dangerous. So, the GLP-1 receptor agonists are prescription medications used to treat type 2 diabetes and obesity. The use of GLP-1 in the product's name may mislead consumers into believing it has similar effects, despite lacking the active pharmaceutical ingredients found in approved GLP-1 medications. And guys, in general, recommendations for you before trying any supplements, especially these that claim significant health benefits, consult with a qualified healthcare provider. Look for products with transparent ingredients lists, credible endorsements, and positive reviews from reputable sources. Be wary of products that use high-pressure sales tactics like scientific backing or misuse endorsements. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and video, hopefully you like it. Of course, enjoy, and don't forget to support us by giving a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.